Do you wake up with numb fingers, stiff knees, or legs that feel like lead? What if these are not just signs of aging, but your body's urgent cry for help? This could be a silent red flag that your collagen is quietly deteriorating, causing your joints to ache, your skin to sag, and your energy to plummet. Most people miss these signs until it's too late. Here's the good news. Nature has a backup plan. Not in a bottle or a powder, but in the form of 6 miracle fruits, many of which are probably already in your kitchen. These fruits don't just slow aging, they've been clinically shown to boost collagen, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation from the inside out. In today's video, I'll reveal the exact fruits I recommend to every person over 60 to naturally rebuild youthful collagen, relieve daily aches and joint stiffness, strengthen your muscles, skin, and circulation. And best of all, one of them boosts collagen density by 24%, and it's probably already in your fridge. Let's dive in. And don't skip 3. You've likely never heard of it, and it could change everything.
1. Kiwi, the morning collagen starter. The humble kiwi is a quiet hero for aging bodies. It might look small, but it packs an enormous nutritional punch. Containing twice as much vitamin C as an orange, kiwi is your collagen's best friend. Why vitamin C? Because your body simply can't produce collagen without it. Think of collagen as the bricks of your house. Vitamin C is the mason that holds them together. A New Zealand study found that seniors who ate just 2 kiwis per day showed increased joint flexibility, reduced morning stiffness, a 31% rise in vitamin C levels in just 7 days. How to use it for maximum impact? Eat 1 whole kiwi on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. Leave the skin on after washing. It contains most of the fiber and antioxidants. Pair it with soaked almonds or walnuts to supercharge absorption. Bonus, you'll feel a gentle awakening of your digestive system and notice more consistent morning energy within a week. 2. Pineapple, nature's anti-inflammatory weapon. Tired of aching knees, swollen fingers, or heavy legs by noon? Pineapple might be your secret weapon. This tropical fruit contains bromelain, a natural enzyme shown to reduce inflammation deep within joints and tissues. One clinical study revealed that patients with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain experienced 41% less joint pain and swelling in just 30 days. The same results as NSAIDs without the harsh side effects. But here's the kicker. The part with the highest bromelain content is the core. Yes, the tough center most people throw away. Best way to consume it? Slice it thinly or add it to a smoothie. Include the core. Eat it between meals to maximize bromelain absorption. Expect subtle but noticeable changes. Lighter legs, better circulation, less nighttime tingling or swelling.
3. Guava, the silent strengthener. Guava may not be as flashy as other fruits, but it's one of the most powerful collagen boosters on the planet. With more vitamin C than kiwi or oranges, guava fuels your body's deeper rebuilding process. But that's not all. It also stimulates muscle regeneration, improves joint mobility, and enhances circulation to arms and legs. How to eat it right? Pick deep pink guavas. They're richer in antioxidants. Eat with skin and seeds intact to maximize fiber and nutrient absorption. Drink a glass of water after for better digestion and vitamin activation. Regular consumption leads to small but powerful changes, easier walks, less fatigue, and firmer muscles you haven't felt in years. 4. Blueberries, the body's collagen shield. Blueberries may be small, but they protect your entire collagen system like a biological armor. Packed with anthocyanins, they stop the slow erosion of your joints, muscles, and memory. A study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics showed a 38% improvement in mobility in older adults after 14 days of blueberry consumption, noticeable reduction in lower body inflammation. How to use? Choose wild or darker berries, higher antioxidant levels. Eat half a cup daily. Consistency matters more than quantity. Add to oatmeal, plain yogurt, or just enjoy them solo. Blueberries help your body maintain its gains, better posture, sharper thinking, and smoother walking. 5. Amla, the anti-aging powerhouse. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, might just be the ultimate anti-aging fruit. It has 10 times more vitamin C than oranges, and unlike most fruits, its nutrients remain intact even when dried or powdered. Traditional Ayurvedic medicine has used amla for centuries to strengthen joints and cartilage, improve vision and skin tone, support digestion and immunity. Scientific findings: helps prevent collagen breakdown, improves skin elasticity and joint flexibility. How to consume? Use unsweetened amla powder or juice. Begin with half a teaspoon per day, increase gradually. Mix into herbal tea, smoothies, or warm water. This fruit is a long-term investment in your strength, stability, and beauty from within.
6. Bonus. Combine fruits for maximum impact. Now here's your 21-day collagen boosting protocol. When combined, these fruits work synergistically to multiply each other's effects. Morning smoothie formula: 1 kiwi with skin, pineapple slices with core, half a cup of blueberries, 1 pink guava, 1 teaspoon of amla powder in warm water. Stick to this for just 3 weeks and track reduced joint pain, more energy, smoother skin, and better balance. This isn't magic, it's nutritional science in action. If you're over 60 and frustrated with pills that don't work, it's time to try what nature has been offering all along. These 6 fruits are your natural allies in restoring your body's strength, beauty, and energy. Backed by science, loved by tradition, they are the foundation of healthy aging. Bing! Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and comment below. Which of these fruits will you try first? Type 1 for kiwi, 2 for pineapple, 3 for guava, 4 for blueberry, 5 for amla.